Hello, I'm happy to announce that I will be drawing with you on October 25th at 6 o'clock live. We will be having a workshop on Neuro Portrait. So check out my link in the bio and you will find out how you can participate. I am quite excited because Neuro Portrait is a great opportunity to connect to yourself by drawing neuro lines. And if you're ready to do that, if you're ready to work on your own compassion towards yourself, you need to print out a portrait of yourself or of your whole body, which is as pale as possible. In my example, you see that like my shirt is very dark. That's not optimum. So it needs to be quite pale that we can draw on it. Print out a portrait or like a whole body picture of yourself in A4 at least size. I'm looking forward to meet you on October 25th, 6 o'clock time in Finland. Once you will book the time, you will get the link for your own time zone. Like wherever you are. It might not be 6 o'clock if you're not in Finland. So, see you there. I'm very happy to finally create my first live offer for you. And I'm looking forward to meet you all there.